So y'all know this is for real. The walk of pain. It's the walk of pain, baby. All right, let's get it. And here we get to go till you can't. Get in there. Yep. Uh-huh. I'm talking to you now, huh? Yeah. Come on, come on. Ah, see, this is easy. You should be able to do 100 of these. You should be able to do 100 of these. Come on, get in there.